Hi, my name is Mario. I am a part of the Kintec team. I want to remind everyone until October 19th, 5% of human code sale at Kintec will be donated to the Hurricane Dorian Relief Fund. After the hurricane, the island was devastated with a Hurricane 5. Family, friends, communities lost everything, and so donations from around the world help those in need most. Simple thing is clean drinking water. Yeah, I've talked to families and friends every day, and they keep me posted about what's going on at home. I watch it myself every day on the news and seeing the town, the churches, places I used to play when I was a kid, and all just swap away or wipe away off the map, really. So any help, donation from the smallest can make a big difference in one's life. And I know the people at home will appreciate anything. We went through many hurricanes in our lifetime. I know I did. And this one for sure was the most devastated. I thank everyone who donate anything, whatever they could to help. I know everyone, they will be very grateful.